Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the front fascia on a Fiat 500. This one in particular is a 2015 500C. A reminder to disconnect the negative terminal from the battery and raise and secure the vehicle before proceeding. So first we're going to remove the four fasteners that are attaching the fascia to the upper radiator support, and you're going to use a star tip tool to do that. Get that done real quick. When the vehicle is raised, you can just turn the wheel, and that gives you better access to the splash guard and the little access door we're going to take off in a second. So this is the access door. Behind there you'll find the connections to the fog lamp and the turn signal. We'll need to undo both of those. There's a little tab on the door. You can just pull off. It is a little tough. And once you get that panel off, you'll be able to see the electrical connection to the fog lamp. There's a little tab on the right-hand side there. If you press down, that will come off. Next, we're going to remove the 3 Phillips head screws that are attaching the splash guard to the fascia. Remember to put the screws somewhere safe so you don't lose them when you need to put it back together. You're going to do the same thing on the other side of the car. There's one more screw at the very top of the splash guard securing the fascia. It's kind of awkward to get to. You have to pull the splash guard back out of the way a little bit, and we'll take those both off on both sides. And that's a 10mm socket. Please remember to put your screws somewhere safe. All right, we're underneath the car now, and there's 2 Phillips head screws on the very outside, And then you've got three, they're using that same star tip that you used on the first step. You've got three of those connecting the fascia front on the bottom. We're going to undo all of those. This is what you'll have when this step is done. Again, make sure to keep those somewhere safe. And there is also an electrical connection to the indicator light that is a little bit easier to reach now. It's got a tab that you just want to depress and that'll pull off. Do that on both sides. So now you can go ahead and take the fascia off. It is held in place by 3 pressure clips on each side around the headlights. They are a little bit tough to get off. You might need to use a pry tool, but once you've got those clips released on each side, the fascia will come off, and there you go. Job done. And then just reverse the order to put everything back together. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it.